Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Triumph Bobber 1200. This thing is badass, super torquey, 1200, fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS. It's got full dash with miles to empty, RPMs, super cool bobber. Love that beautiful silver and red metallic tank. Only 1,400 miles. Come on by. Make your bobber dreams come true for just $94.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.